Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to fix Affirm not working on Amazon. Now first, we need to actually ensure that Affirm is available for your order because Affirm doesn't work for all purchases. It's only available for eligible items and amounts. For example, usually over $50. Digital items, gift cards, and some third-party sellers don't actually support Affirm. So make sure that your total at least, meets Affirm's minimum purchase requirement. And then of course you need to check if Affirm is actually set up on Amazon. Just open up Amazon.com and go to your payments under account settings. You want to go to look for Affirm as a payment method, and if it's missing, go to Amazon checkout and select Affirm. And then just follow these setup instructions. And of course you need to make sure that your Affirm account is actually in good standing, okay? You can open the Affirm app or go to affirm.com and check if you have any outstanding payments or account issues, okay? And also you need to ensure that your spending limit covers your Amazon purchase. And if Affirm isn't showing at checkout still, you can go ahead and try a different browser. For example, Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, Brave, Opera. There's so many of them. And then what you can also do is clear your cache and cookies and reload Amazon. And if you're using the Amazon app, try switching to the desktop site, right? But if the issue still persists, you can go ahead and contact Affirm support at affirm.com/help. Okay, and also reach out to Amazon customer service via the chat or call for payment issues. And that should have you on your way. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.